What's up? It's Sunday, June 28th, 2026, 1:58 p.m. afternoon, and we're here in Brooklyn Chinatown, and the weather is nice. It's 80 degrees right now. The humidity is low. It feels very comfortable. So we're going to stroll around here today. We're going to be doing a lot of videos today. And yeah, we're going to see what's going on here. It's been a while since I've been out here. We used to come out here a lot, but just been a little, it takes a little time to get out here sometimes with all the other spots. And yeah, so there might be a shower today. I'm not sure, like a little bit of rain, but it's like very low chance, I think. So yeah, this is gonna be awesome. There's gonna be videos going on both channels. The Pibry POV and Brian Pibry. Pibry POV and BRYAN PIBRY. We got a little big guy, our Pocket 3 camera, and then his house holding it down. So this is the first video that we're shooting here in HDR. I used to shoot a lot of videos here. We used to film a lot of cinematic type of videos. But yeah, that was before and this is now. I think that was a book or something, or a movie. Not wearing my watch today, wow, because it gets so heavy. So I'm not even putting it on right now. When I'm walking, it gets kind of heavy. So later on right here, they have a lot, well, at least they used to, they probably still do. But they have a lot of food trucks that come over here. There's a lot of cars here. Maybe they move later, I don't know. But it gets pretty lit up. I'm not sure if we're gonna be here that late, because right now it's pretty early. We're talking like 9 hours or something from now, so. So yeah, the plan was to hit Coney Island and Chinatown today, but I don't know if we have the time for that. And finding parking and all that kind of stuff is very, very tough. So Coney Island, it kind of is on the radar, so let's see. But right now, today is Chinatown. This is 8th Avenue here, Chinatown. We're on 8th Avenue and 61st Street. And over there is a train station if you go down that way a little bit. And that takes you a lot of places in New York. 8th Avenue train station. There's so many food vendors and everything here. The weather's so nice. It's so great. Let's walk around and enjoy. I brought 3 battery packs with me today. 4. I got 4 actually, technically, and a extender battery pack. So we got like 5. We're rolling deep. Because LBG, our Pocket 3 camera, he likes to drink the juice. He drinks a lot of juicy. Let me see if I can do a little mirror moment. That's me. I do these little mirror moments, you know. There I am. Brooklyn Chinatown. What's up? This is the office on legs right here. LBG or Pocket 3. But yeah, I try to find these little windows where I can do a mirror moment. But that was the mirror moment. Wow, it's so nice here today. A lot of people. There's a lot of people that come here from Jersey, Edison, New Jersey, and other areas. And as you know, I'm based near Edison, New Jersey. That's my home base, which is actually super cool because I'm in the middle of New York and the Jersey Shore. So not so bad for the location of getting these videos out in different locations near here in this area. But boy, is it expensive coming out to Brooklyn right now. So that's why we don't really do a lot of Brooklyn. That's one of the reasons. That is the main reason. It's not far. And I talk over music, as you all know, because we have to for copyright reasons, of course. That's part of the game. But yeah, technically, this is like, from my hood, this is like 30 miles. But if you consider Perth Amboy, which is my hood, basically, it's like 20 miles here. It's really not far from where I am at. So I do consider this like the hood, just not the immediate, like the closest hood, you know. And I found parking today on 6th Avenue near 63rd Street. And, you know, pretty good. It was on a bridge, but what can you do? When you find parking, you're good. So we found parking. The humidity is low today, but it's still hot. I don't have an umbrella with me, so if we do have that shower, I'm gonna have to sit on the sidelines. It could be coming, we don't know. It's supposed to be around 2 o'clock, the shower. So we will see. Hopefully not, though. I mean, the sky looks perfectly fine. It's hard to know what the weather is going to be really nowadays. It always changes. So yeah, this is the main area of the Chinatown, 8th Avenue. So we do a lot of walking on this street because this is where the people are. So when I do videos here, it's mostly on this street. This is the spot. I do have my live stream equipment. I'm not sure if we're going to do live stream yet. We might. I'm not sure. Brought it just in case. There's a lot of people in these stores. We can actually take a peek at the stores a little bit. Just want to get a glimpse of how busy the stores are, as you can see.
Yo, bring the hammer, bro.
Hey, what's up?
Massage, yeah, food massage.
Same people on the street. Last time I was here. Working hard, right? So, yeah, I'm in the market soon for a sling bag for a little big guy, but those aren't big enough for the camera gear. And sometimes people look at me a little crazy with the camera in here. I'm the only maybe non-Chinese here at the moment. So I kind of stick out a little bit, but not so bad. We're going to go this way. Yeah, let's cross the street here. Let's take a walk over here. We're just going to walk around randomly today. Basically, on 8th Avenue mostly. Like I said, this is the spot. You'll probably hear that a bunch of times today. There should be many episodes from today. It's not really structured. When I come out to film, I don't know exactly where the episode's going to end, the next one's going to begin most of the time. Especially in a spot like this where you kind of just leave it rolling in a way. For the most part.